All right, so now we're going to take the filter paper and open it up. Not open it up, but fold it like that. And then pat it down. Make sure the sand stays in there. Okay. And this should be ready to go into the oven. I'm going to do that. I think everyone knows how to put things into the oven. So I have the sand in the oven, and the salt water is now in the evaporating dish, covered with the watch glass, and I got it heating up. So the watch glass is to keep the salt from sputtering out when we get closer to it being dry. And this usually takes about 10 minutes to dry it out. So by the time this is dry, so should the sand be in the oven. Now that we're going along, you can see the water is boiling. It's collecting on the watch glass. So as the water evaporates away, it'll become kind of slushy, and the watch glass will become white. And then when you see no more steam, you'll know that it's done. All right, you can see that it's starting to get a white film on top there. And most of the water's gone in the inside. So actually I turned it on so you could hear the popping, but I don't hear any popping anymore. That's the water trying to escape the salt crystals. But yeah, a couple more minutes here, and then that should be it. So I got the filter paper out of the oven. It's very crispy, and the sand is loose. I don't want to spill it, but yeah, it moves around very easily. It's been in there for about 20 minutes, so that should do it. So let's weigh this. Be careful here. Okay, so that's the filter paper and sand. All right, and finally, the mass of the watch glass, the evaporating dish, and the salt after a long time of cooling. Got that. And if you watch the whole video, you should have all the information you need to answer the questions about this lab on the exam. So you should take all this data and work it up, and you can turn in the results.